ZLL SG909 Drone, professional-grade aerial imaging with 3-axis gimbal and intelligent features. The ZLL SG909 Drone is a high-performance quadcopter designed for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Featuring a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, EIS electronic image stabilization, obstacle avoidance, and a touch-screen FPV remote, the SG909 delivers a professional-grade flight experience for enthusiasts and aspiring aerial photographers. Key features: 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal, capture smooth, cinematic footage with a 4K camera, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal that compensates for drone movements. EIS electronic image stabilization. EIS further enhance image stability with EIS, minimizing vibrations and ensuring crystal clear footage. Obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence knowing that the drone is equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors, preventing collisions and ensuring safer flights. Touchscreen FPV remote. Experience intuitive control and real-time video transmission with the touchscreen FPV remote, providing a clear and immersive first-person view. Brushless motor. Enjoy powerful and efficient flight performance with the durable and long-lasting brushless motor. WiFi FPV Transmission. Experience real-time video transmission to your smartphone or the remote's touchscreen via Wi-Fi. Intelligent flight modes. GPS positioning enables precise flight control and intelligent features like return to home and follow me mode. Optical flow positioning provides stable hovering and accurate positioning indoors or in GPS-denied areas. Waypoint flight. Plan and execute custom flight paths by drawing on your smartphone screen. Follow me mode. The drone automatically follows and tracks your movements. Orbit mode. Capture smooth cinematic shots by circling a designated point. Gesture control. Control the drone and capture photos or videos with hand gestures. Headless mode. Simplifies flight control for beginners. One key takeoff and landing. Automated takeoff and landing for easy operation. Foldable and portable design. The drone's foldable design makes it compact and easy to transport, perfect for taking on your adventures. Long flight time. Enjoy extended flight times, allowing you to capture more footage. Specifications: camera resolution 4K, gimbal 3-axis, image stabilization EIS, obstacle avoidance yes, remote touchscreen FPV, motor brushless, transmission Wi-Fi FPV, positioning GPS optical flow. Benefits: capture professional quality aerial photos and videos. Enjoy smooth and stable footage with 3-axis gimbal and EIS. Fly confidently with obstacle avoidance. Experience intuitive control with the touchscreen FPV remote. Utilize intelligent flight modes for creative shots. Easily transport and store the drone with its foldable design. Overall, the ZLL SG909 Drone is a high-performance quadcopter that offers a professional-grade aerial photography and videography experience. Its 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, EIS, obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes make it a great choice for capturing stunning aerials.